I'm Thom Mason, the President and CEO of Triad National Security. Once we complete transition, I'll be assuming the responsibility of Director of Los Alamos National Lab. We're launching into transition. That's a 4-month period during which the whole leadership team has to engage to learn the lab, learn its mission, and most importantly, learn its people. We're fortunate that we've got a lot of people who actually know Los Alamos already. They've known it for many years. I'm excited to be becoming part of the Los Alamos family. It's a fascinating and critical time. This year, Los Alamos is celebrating its 75th anniversary. Over that amazing trajectory, there have been innovations that have helped secure our nation and changed our understanding of the universe. The way that the laboratory, the contractor, Triad in this case, interacts with the community is very important to determine the success of the lab. We're fortunate that we have a community that embraces the mission and also values the history, but we can't take that for granted. It's important to be engaged in the community. It's important to be engaged personally as a member of the laboratory leadership team or the laboratory staff. And it's also important that we're transparent. Our most powerful tool in that engagement is the staff and the passion that they bring to their communities and to the activities in the communities that enrich their lives. One of the hallmarks of Triad that comes from the parent companies that came together to form Triad, Texas A&M, the University of California, and Battelle, is a commitment to science education. The most important thing that we can do as a laboratory is tell the story of how STEM disciplines provide for career opportunities and also solving the really important problems that societies face today. That shared vision and mission is something that lines up very well with both Los Alamos' history and also its future. The thing that has really distinguished us is the leadership team that we've been able to assemble and the organization that we're going to use to drive continued innovation and also make sure that we meet those deliverables for the nuclear weapons program in a safe, secure, and reliable way. Ultimately, the payback to society for that federal investment is getting those innovations deployed, whether it's deployed in the stockpile or deployed in some new technology that creates products and employment. When it happens locally, it turns into economic development. It creates jobs and prosperity, and that's something I'm personally very interested in. I know a transition like this can be a little bit unsettling. There's lots of questions that people have. We're going to do our best to answer those questions. We want to make sure that we get through this smoothly so that we hit the ground running when we take over responsibility for Los Alamos. I'm really looking forward to getting to learn the place and more importantly, meet the people.